Welcome friends, welcome to my Excel Navigator 360 Excel program. This program, I have created this program for CEOs and high performing professionals who juggle with multiple responsibilities and need a dependable system to stay organized. I have created 36 sheets here and I have and the relevant 36 command buttons here. Each command button will take you to the respective sheet. See, delegations. Wherever you go, reading and learning. So executives forget details due to workload, and this app becomes their external memory. It's a brain organizer. It's a brain organizer with the 36 sheets which act as 36 brain compartments. I've given F9 here. From any corner of the file, you can press F9 and come to the title sheet pilot 36. So this file gives control and clarity on 36 different areas of your work. The beauty of this program is each sheet auto labels itself with the button name. For example, if I say operation notes, the sheet is has auto named itself. See the name here, the name here. Suppose you want to change something here, complaints and work. I want to say only complaints. Complaints and risk. I want to say complaints only. Submit. I made a change here. So see complaints. Compliance and risk has become compliance. It has auto named it and named itself. See, the sheet auto labels itself. The label has changed automatically with the button caption. So, giving you a highly organized workspace here for each compartment, each segment. This program, I feel, removes the mental clutter. No more scattered notes, no forgotten follow-ups. So this will help you that way. So you are not allowed to keep anything blank here. If you give anything blank, it will not be accepted because a sheet in Excel, a sheet cannot have a name, a blank name. Some name should be there. So it says 32 cannot be blank. It cannot, I'll say Control Z. So I said here all special characters are disallowed. Only underscore is permitted. Supposing uh, you know that the sheet names in Excel do not accept a slash. Supposing I'm trying to put a slash here, it will not accept. I'm trying to put a star mark, it will not accept. I have disallowed these special characters because even if a slash is accepted here, when it goes to this place it doesn't accept a slash. The Excel sheet does not accept a name with a slash. So that creates a problem. That's why I have totally disallowed slash and other special characters except underscore. If I press underscore here, it will be accepted as you can see. So you cannot have uh, the two files, two sheets with the same name. See, we have delegations here. I will write delegations here also. Delegations. Okay, let's see. It says it will point out duplicate value delegations found in 32. So this has to be different. So this has to be different. I'll say think different. So see think different. If you go to this, it has the auto labeled itself. Sheet has auto labeled itself. See, that is the beauty of the program. F9, only this sheet is protected. I have kept this sheet as protected. All other 36 sheets, they are not protected. You have liberty to do whatever you want in those sheets. Okay. So like, share, and subscribe to my channel. A big thank you. Visit etsy.com. The link is given in the description. If you like this program, if you want to purchase this program, go to etsy.com. The link is given in the description. You can see there, you can see my other programs also. Thank you for watching.